They're almost done. We gotta get home. We've got people too. I mean, we am sad. Yeah, they're. We start in August. Oh, y'all are amazing. So at the top by my name, you see a little gray X. If you click that, that is how you send your daily community, like heartening community. Trying to think of the right word. Only 10:47 back at home. So I will be much. I love a good watery squeeze. In my mind. Yeah, it is really soft. It's super good powder. Nine cans available, 4 cases plus 9. Plus, I still have some in the bag from Jimena. Oh my gosh. She's really spoiling us tonight. Thank you so much, baby. Of course we do. Did you see when I showed my daughter going on the trail ride today? She did so good. I was so proud of her. One of our buddies was riding with her, and I like drive by and I just dump down the sink sometimes. The number doesn't change. Okay. Thank you for explaining that to me. Thank you so much. People really crack me up. Instead of just scrolling, they're like, I just can't wrap my mind around this. Sent for it, and we got 40 in the reserve, so we can pick some more powders here in a second. So we're gonna do a another what would the word be, like restock, I guess. Before we get rolling again. No, someone wanted it thicker to do stained glass. But I don't know if we're gonna be able to get it that thick. But maybe. I've got 2 for $5 panelins, floral and pine. I've got HEB and Royal pine for $4 each. I got one $7 Walmart. I've got a $6 lemon Lysol. I've got a ton of $6 and $8 dish soaps. Oh, and I got a bunch of $7 watermelon and lemon Mr. Clean. I do have a YT baby, and we're working on uploading a bunch of stuff on it. No, my nose is not burning. Thank you, Liz. I gotta message my girl unless she's on here and see if she's got some of the stuff ready to post on there. JJ, are you in here, baby? No more cans going in right now. I've got 4 cases plus a half left. A case is 20 or 3 for $5. I will tell you, it is getting thicker. I think you guys can sell these cases out pretty quick. You guys gotta help me get this down so I can take a little small tote home with me of product. What's the question? No, I'm not out of cans yet, babe. I can tell you in just a minute what we have left for laundry, guys. We don't have that much left. Nope, we're getting ready to move, guys, so I didn't buy no fresh. All right. Two seconds, and I'm gonna go over and tell you what we got left. This is so smooth for it just being recycled, guys. If you're coming from the FYP, put FYP and hit the follow. Hey baby, welcome in. All right, I'm gonna tell you guys what I got. Uh-oh, we need a phone charger. Hey, babe. Honey. Honey. I need a phone charger ASAP, please. Okay, this is what I got left, guys. I've got